Have you seen the claims on the internet about what WD-40 can do? I don't believe all those. Let's put it to the test. Removes crayons from the wall. First, let's try it with just water. Okay, this is just plain water. Doesn't even really touch it. Now with WD-40. It actually worked better on the side with no water. Okay, that's beautiful. I think that one's confirmed. Cleans windows. So everybody's familiar with window cleaner with ammonia in it. This window is dirty. We stripped off the top from the bottom so we can check the difference. Okay, here's the common everyday blue stuff, the leading brand of window cleaner. Everybody knows it does a pretty good job. Now let's try the WD-40. The top portion is still dirty. Brand new clean rag. Okay, it looks very, very clean to me. In fact, I think now I can see how dirty the inside of the window is because the outside's cleaner. I feel like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, if you compare the two, I actually feel like the top is cleaner than the bottom. They're both pretty good, but it worked great. I would say if you don't have a window cleaner, but you do have WD-40 from the garage or from the shop, go ahead and use that on your window. It looks fantastic. Protecting sidewalk chalk. I don't know what the use case for this is. Maybe you have a loved one that did artwork and you want it to last a little longer. Or how about you're doing directional arrows in a parking lot? Say you have a church event or something and you're pointing people around. Maybe you do want to protect it in case it rains. So the theory is, I guess, that this would just seal it and protect it, and then it would last longer if it rains or something happens. It changed the color. Okay, here's the unprotected one. 1, 2, 3. And here's the one protected with WD-40. 1, 2, 3. Well, you can clearly see the unprotected one got ruined by the water. The protected one is the same as before the water. So if you do need sidewalk chalk protected, you can use it. Removes bugs from your car's grill. This is the front of my work truck. That's pretty disgusting. You got dried blood, bugs, bug bodies, little bits of everything on there. Okay, let's try to clean the left side. So the right side would be untreated. The left side would be treated with WD-40. Let's let it set and then we'll come wipe it off. So this is an everyday shop rag. The WD-40 has been sitting for a period of time. And let's see if these bug guts are coming off. I do see some general dirt and grime coming off, but my white work truck is still looking like a murder scene. Let me just really blast that. I'm actually surprised that it's not working better. Oh boy. Well, I think we might have to call this one busted. Oh man. Removes gum from shoe. That's pretty gross. It's probably happened to everybody at some time. Okay. Well, that came right off. Now, how are you going to get it off from your pavement? See if it will get in there and loosen that up at all. We have just a kind of a scouring pad here. It's coming up. I think it worked. It does remove gum. Waterproof shoes. These are shoes that I've worn on the job site before. My feet often get wet. So let's leave one uncoated and let's coat one. We'll coat the left foot with WD-40. Make sure it gets in all the nooks and crannies. So my left foot is now treated. Okay, so for your vantage point, this shoe is coated, this shoe is uncoated. We have water. Let's spray it equally on both. I'll stop when I start to feel moisture on my feet. Okay, I can feel water. So far I feel it on my left foot, which is your right, which was the coated shoe. That sock is now wet. So far this one still feels dry, and that's actually the uncoated one. Okay, now I'm just starting to feel water on this one too. So I actually felt it first on the treated one. I assume it's treated to some extent in the factory, but I don't know that it gave any protection at all. It seemed like it failed. Removes lipstick from clothes. Got a white shirt, got lipstick. Let's say something accidentally happened and you got some lipstick on your clothes. WD-40, we'll see if it's a miracle liquid. Give it a second to start working in the fibers. Let's blot some of that off. You wouldn't want to be too aggressive because it'll destroy the shirt. It is lightening. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It has lightened it. So maybe if you're patient and then apply it before washing it. You know what? I think it's working. I don't know. Can you see that on camera? It's getting lighter. I think it's working. I think if I was going to call it, I'd have to say it's confirmed. WD-40. It's been around for decades. As you saw, it has many, many uses. You should try it yourself.